Hello guys, in this video I will show you on how to create a simple list in Ionic. Okay, so let's start. So we have here a blank template and we'll be displaying the list of social media platforms. Okay, so let's create the list. First, we need to change the title or the title of the application. We'll be naming it as social media platform. Okay, and then let's check the output. Try to refresh. Okay, so we have social media platforms. So now we'll be creating a list. So the first component we'll be adding to our application is the Ion list slash Ion list. And then inside of our Ion list component, we'll be adding the item, the Ion item component. So Ion item slash Ion dash item. Okay. Then afterwards, inside of our Ion item, we'll be adding the Ion label. And then Ion label. Then let's say the name of our Ion label or the value for our Ion label is Facebook. Okay, then let's check the output. Okay, so we have a list with one element, which is the Facebook. Okay, so let's try to add the other social media platform. So all we need to do is to copy the item. Let's say we only add 4. Let's say the next is Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, okay, so we'll be adding more social media platform, for example, Messenger. Okay, so we have 4 already. Then let's check the output. So we have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Messenger. So this one is a simple list. Now you can also add an icon of this social media platform. So on our simple item, we can customize that and we can add an icon before the label. So let's try that by adding an icon. Ion icon slash Ion icon. And then I need to specify the source. So for example, the equivalent of Facebook on Ionicons is logo Facebook. But first we need to import Ionicons on our project. And then we need to add the logo Facebook. Then we will define that in setup. Then logo Facebook. Okay, so we are done importing the logo Facebook. Then let's try to check our output. Okay, so we have here the output. So as we can see, we have the icon for the Facebook. So we can change the color of that by, of course, changing the color of the icon. Let's say color is primary. And try to save it. Then let's wait to refresh. Okay, so we are able to change the color of the icon of the Facebook. So let's try for the other social media platforms. So we'll be copying this one and add. And then on our logo Facebook, so we need to also to define the logo for Twitter, logo for the Messenger. Okay, let's wait. Logo. So let's just wait to load on our logo. So we don't have Messenger here. So let's try to import the other. Let's say Instagram. Okay, we have the Instagram. Let's try to search on Facebook. Okay, so we cannot find it. So for the meantime, we'll just use the Twitter, logo Instagram. Then do not forget to define in our setup. So in here, we'll be changing the icon for the Twitter. So let's change that into logo Twitter. Then this one is logo logo. So we don't have Messenger. So all we need to change is the Facebook into Instagram. Okay. Then let's try to check our output again. What will be the output once we change it? Okay, so we have here the different icons of this social media platform. Unfortunately, we don't have the logo, or we don't have a logo for the messenger in Ionic-Vue. So from that, you can use a picture, an online picture, or you can download it and add to your project. But I will not show it to you anymore. But instead, I'll be adding a different functionality, which let's say we'll make this item clickable. Okay. So for example, if the user clicks on the Facebook, okay, it will open the Facebook application or on a web browser. So let's try that. So to do that, all you need to do, let's say for example, so on Facebook, to make this item clickable, you need to specify or use the property href. And then the href, you need to specify the link. For example, https www.facebook.com. Okay. So when a user clicks this item, the user will be directed to www.facebook.com. So let's try that. So as you can see, the Facebook becomes clickable. So based on the pointer. So on Instagram, okay, check the pointer. It's only a arrow, but this one is a hand. This means this one is clickable. So let's try that by clicking the Facebook. Then automatically, you will be directed to facebook.com. But if you are using a mobile application, let's say Android or an iPhone, okay, it will automatically open your application by default. Okay, so that's it for our simple list. Thank you for watching. See you on our next videos.